All right. Before we jump into the hands-on demo, let's quickly understand the core concept of Amazon S3. First, let's talk about bucket. A bucket is basically a container that stores your data in S3. You can think of it like a hard drive, but in the cloud. In S3, every file must be stored inside a bucket. You cannot store anything without creating a bucket first. Now, there are two important things to remember. Bucket name must be globally unique across all of AWS, and every bucket is created in a specific region. Like I have mentioned AP South 1. Okay, I have given the example. A bucket name could be something like Python DevOps S3 demo. Next, let's understand object. Any file you store in S3 is called object. Can be anything: image, video, PDF, JSON, or even backups. Each object has three parts: the actual file data, metadata, which is information about the file, and a key, which is basically the file name. And also, one more important, the maximum size of a single object in S3 is 5 TB. Some examples of objects are photo.jpg, backup.zip, or data.json. Now, let's move to key. A key is unique name of an object inside a bucket. One important thing beginner gets confused about: S3 does not actually have folders. When you see something like profile slash user1.jpg or logs 2026 march app.log, slash is just part of the name, not a directory. There are not real folder. The slash is just part of the object name. Next, let's understand URL structure. Every object in S3 can be accessed using a URL that look like http bucket name s3 region amazon aws.com/key, and key, as I have mentioned, the folder name and the file name. So I have given the below example, that is https then python s3 demo. These are bucket name, s3.ap south 1, this is our region, and amazon aws.com, this is our dns of our bucket. And then we have profile slash user1.jpg, which is key. Profile is means folder, but it's not actually a folder. So next, important rule, bucket name must be globally unique across all AWS. If you create a bucket, let's say test bucket, so AWS don't allow to create that bucket name because it's already used in different AWS account. Correct way is, like I have given the example, python devops s3 demo 2026. So there is a tip I have mentioned: always add your name, project, or year to make it unique. So this is the theory part. Let's move to the AWS console. All right, now let's jump into the AWS console and create our first S3 bucket. As you can see, I have already logged into my AWS console. So let's search for S3. Click enter. So these are S3 dashboard. So on the right side, you can see the button create bucket. So let's click on it. Okay, currently I'm on North Virginia region, and also it shows US East 1. So let's go with the general purpose, not with a directory. We will discuss about in the different video. So these are global namespace. Let's give a meaningful name. Let's say test bucket. So S3 will not allow you to create. Let's click on the create bucket. So see, bucket with the same name already exists. So this is the global name. So you have to put the unique name, something unique. I'm giving Python DevOps and just copy the AWS account ID hyphen, because this is the different. This is the unique. That's why I have given the ID and the name Python. Okay, then keep all the thing default. This is the object ownership I will discuss about later. Meanwhile, it's disabled. Block all public access, so this bucket is not public. Then we have a bucket versioning, it's disabled as well. Then server side encryption, keep it default. Bucket key enable. If you want to disable, you can disable. Then disable the object lock and create the bucket. I've clicked on the create button, so S3 bucket is created. Okay, it has no any file, has no any metadata. You can check the property, like what is the reason, what is the Amazon resource name, that is ARN, and creation date. Bucket versioning is disabled. All the things we will discuss in upcoming video. Here is the permission section. Then we have metrics. You can check the if any data is available, you got the metrics. Then we have management. You can apply multiple rules here, and then we have an access point. We can create the access point. So we will discuss in this series. Let's upload our first object. Click on the upload. You can either drop or drag, or you can directly add file. I'm adding the file. you can upload the user data. Okay, this is the user data used in previous video. Click open and then click on. Okay, this user data is here, and then click on upload. It's uploaded, then click on close. You can see these are user data, and it is uploaded on the last modified on March 17, like now, and it is a size, and it shows the type. The storage class is standard. Click on the object itself, so you can check it has some encryption, it has some URI, it has the URL. But if you click on it, it will not open because our bucket is not public. Let's go back. Okay, so you can check the permission. Permission is the object owner is account itself, your AWS account. As I did not enable the versioning, so I do not have any version as well. So this is all about how to create the S3 bucket and what is the S3 bucket. In the next section, we will discuss about the other thing like metadata properties. We will discuss about the property, how to set the permission, how to make the bucket public. So that's all about in this video. Thank you.